Good day, everybody. Hope you are having a great day today. So here I go. Say solve, of course, for t. ln natural logarithm of t minus 3 plus ln natural logarithm of t minus 1 equal to natural logarithm of 2t minus 5. So the first thing we will do is apply the multiplication rule of logarithm. So this becomes logarithm of t minus 3 times logarithm of t minus 1 is equal to logarithm of 2t minus 5. Now I will subtract logarithm 2t minus 5 on both sides. So my left-hand side becomes logarithm, natural logarithm of t minus 3 times t minus 1 minus natural logarithm of 2t minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Again, I will apply the subtraction rule of logarithm. When subtraction, that means it's divided by. So logarithm, natural logarithm t minus 3 times t minus 1 divided by 2t minus 5 is equal to 0. Remember, logarithm ln is logarithm to the base e. So this is logarithm to the base e t minus 3 times t minus 1 divided by 2t minus 5 is equal to 0. Now use the definition of logarithm. To get remember is the base raised to the power on the right hand side, which is 0 of the equation, is equal to the whole argument. So from definition of logarithm, I get e to the power of 0 is equal to t minus 3 times t minus 1 divided by 2t minus 5. Okay. Now anything raised to the power of 0 or exponented to 0 is 1. So 1 is equal to t minus 3 times t minus 1 divided by 2t minus 5. Okay, so if I create some space for myself, I will multiply now by 2t minus 5 on both sides. Why, you ask me? The reason is I want to remove 2t minus 5 from the denominator of the right-hand side. The only way I can do that, because 2t minus 5 is in the denominator, which means divided by, I do the opposite, which is multiplication. So I multiply both sides by 2t minus 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to, let me write it in a better way, is equal to t minus 3 times t minus 1 divided by 2t minus 5, and I multiplied by 2t minus 5 on the right hand side as well as the left hand side. That means this and this will cancel. So you'll be left with 2t minus 5 is equal to t minus 5 times t minus 1. Now we have to FOIL on the right hand side of the equal to sign. So first term is t times t is t square. Outside term is t times minus 1, which is minus t. Then inside term minus 5 times t is minus 5t and then 2 minuses make it positive. Last term, minus 5 times minus 1 is plus 5. Okay. So I get 2t minus 5 is equal to t square minus 6t plus 5. Okay. Now I will create some space and move all the t's to one side. Okay. That means I will subtract 2t from the left and from the right. So I will get this 2t cancel, minus 5 equal to t square, minus 6t minus 2t is minus 8t plus 5. Also, I need to remove the minus 5 from the left-hand side. That I can do by adding 5 on both sides. So I get 0 equal to t square minus 8t plus 5 plus 5 is 10. So the quadratic equation I have to solve is t square minus 8t plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, question is, what are the two factors of 10? I'm using the AC method. Compare that with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And my a is 1 because the coefficient in front of t square is 1. My b is equal to minus 8 and my c is equal to plus 10. So a times c is equal to 1 times 10 is 10. Are there two factors of 10 which when multiplied together will give you 10, and when added together you want to make a plus c equal to b, but the only factors of 10 are 2 and 5. Factors of 10 are 2 and 5. They do not add up to 8. So we have to use the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. So let me create some more space. So I'm going to solve for t. So my t is equal to minus b. Remember my b is minus, so it's minus 8 plus minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4ac. That means 4 times 1 times 10 divided by 2a is 2 times 1. So that is equal to 2 minuses will make it positive 8 plus minus square root of minus 8 square is minus 8 times minus 8 is 64 minus 4 times 10 is 40 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, this can be further simplified. Okay, so t is equal to 8 plus minus square root of 24. Okay, divided by 2. Now 24 can be factored as 4 times 6. So it is square root of 4 times square root of 6 divided by 2. So this is equal to 8 plus minus square root of 4 is 2, root 6 divided by 2. Now I will divide 2 into each of the terms in the numerator. So it is 8 divided by 2 plus minus 2 square root of 6 divided by 2. So the final answer is 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus minus 2 divided by 2 is 1 square root of 6. So The possible values of t are 4 minus square root of 6, comma 4 plus square root of 6. I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, you can write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. That I wanted to give you an important tip at the end of the program, which I will do now, is that I used first the multiplication rule of natural logarithm. ln t minus 3 plus ln t minus 1 is same as ln of t minus 3 times t minus 1. And then I subtracted the term on the right-hand side on both sides. So I got ln t minus 1 times t minus 3 times t minus 1 minus ln 2 t minus 5. Now here I'll use another property, which is a minus means a division by ln t minus 3 times t minus 1 divided by 2t minus 1. Now that is equal to 0. And ln means it's a logarithm to the base e. So e to the power of 0 is equal to this quantity on the right-hand side. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. And then I do the algebraic simplification. I reduce it to a quadratic equation in t. Okay. So what is my quadratic equation in t? Let me point that out. Is this one. This is, I'll correct it correctly. This is t squared. Should be inside the square bracket. So this is t squared minus, so it is t squared minus 8t plus 10 equal to 0. This is 2. Okay, similar to x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. I could not factor it right out. So then what did I do? I had to use the quadratic formula to solve for it. So there are two values, possible values of t. Both of them are real values. One is 4 minus square root of 6. The other is 4 plus square root of 6. Let me see if I have done this. Have I done anything wrong in this? Nope, not solved it correctly. Oh, I know what mistake I made. So I need to take care of that. So pardon me. I have to erase part of the thing. So the thing I have to erase is from here. Okay, so let's erase this. That's why I was surprised when I was getting. So from here, there's some mistake. I made it t minus 5 times t minus 1. That is not the case here. I'll erase the rest a little later. So my mistake was 2t minus 5 is equal to t minus 3 times t minus 1, not t minus 5 times t minus 1, which I did previously. So 2t minus 5 is equal to, I FOIL it, t times t is t square plus outside terms t times minus 1 is minus t, and this is t minus 3 times t inside is minus 3t plus 1. Again, let me make sure there is no mistake. This is t minus 3, right? Okay. Now this becomes 2t minus 5 is equal to t square minus 4t plus 1 plus 3 actually, right? 3 times 1 is 3. So plus 3. Okay, so I will subtract 2t on both sides. So it becomes minus 5, subtract 2t on this side, is equal to t square minus 6t plus 3. Then I add 5 on both sides. Add 5 on both sides. I get 0 equal to t square minus 6t plus 8. Here, a is equal to the coefficient. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 1, b is minus 6, and c is equal to 8. So what are the two factors of 8? So a times c is equal to 8 times 1 is 8. Factors of 8 is minus 2 times minus 4. And also when minus 2 and minus 4 are added together, we get minus 6, which is equal to b. So we can write t square minus 4t minus 2t plus 8 equal to 0. From the first two, take out t minus 4 times minus 2t minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so we have t minus 2 times t minus 4 equal to this, equal to 0. Now if I move up a little bit, I do not have to use any of this, fortunately. Move up. Use the eraser to erase all this. So that means either t minus 2 is equal to 0, add 2 on both sides, t is equal to 2, one possibility. The other, or t minus 4 equal to 0, add 4 on both sides, t is equal to 4 also, another possibility. So t is 2 and 4. These are the possible solutions for t. So the mistake I made last time was when I transferred t minus 3 times t minus 1 is equal to 2t minus 5. Instead of t minus 3, I wrote t minus 5 on the right-hand side. Actually, it should be t minus 3. And then if you FOIL it, you will get a simple equation, t square minus 6t plus 8 equal to 0. Here A is 1, B is minus 6, and C is 8. So AC is 8. What are the factors of AC? is 2 and 4, minus 2 and minus 4, multiplied together gives you A. Also when A and C, when when you add those two factors, minus 2, minus 4, added together, you get minus 6, which is B. Hence, the solution is 2 and 4. I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, where I've solved all kinds of algebra problem in my playlist Algebra Problems. So please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button on the bottom right corner. I will see you next time with another problem, another solution. Please check me out or please visit my channel again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. I'll see you later.